Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to talk to Grok AI using voice mode. First, go to Grok using the method you prefer. You can open the Grok app on your phone or visit the Grok website using a supported browser. Make sure you are logged in to your account. Once you are logged in, go to the main chat screen. Look near the message input area at the bottom of the screen. You should see a microphone icon. This icon is used to start voice mode. Tap or click the microphone icon. The first time you do this, Grok will ask for permission to access your microphone. Allow this permission so Grok can hear you properly. After permission is granted, you can begin speaking. Talk clearly and at a normal pace. You can ask short questions or give longer instructions. Grok will listen and respond with a spoken reply, creating a smooth conversation. If you do not want to speak a question, you can still type it into the chat. When voice mode is active, Grok will read the answer out loud even if the question was typed. You can adjust your voice experience by opening the settings menu. Depending on your device and account, you may be able to change the voice style or control how fast Grok speaks. If voice mode does not work, check your device settings. Make sure your microphone is turned on and that your browser or app has permission to use it. Thanks for watching.